Hey guys, so today you're going to learn how to get approved for the Chase Freedom credit card. I've traveled to over 39 different destinations all around the world using points and miles, and right now I have 2.4 million miles in my travel account, and I'm here to teach you all of my secrets. Keep watching until the end because I'm going to share with you how you can actually get approved for the Chase Freedom card even if you don't get approved when you sign up online. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with Life Tailored, and we teach you how to get the most out of your credit card points. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our amazing life hacks or the crazy sign-up bonuses that we see that are only available for a limited time. And also, if you want to see how far points can take you, then follow us on Instagram at Life Tailored. But today we're talking about the first points credit card I got, and also I think the first points credit card I think you guys should get. But before we get started, let me know down below, what is your current situation? Are you a student, graduating soon? Do you already have a job? This will help me figure out which card you should be getting next, and also I can help you out with any trips you have coming up or how to maximize that cash back. I first got this card over 7 years ago, and it's still in my wallet today thanks to that amazing $0 annual fee. Now let's go over the new sign-up bonus for the card and what you can expect once this card is in your wallet. So right now, the current sign-up bonus is $150 in cash back after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. And with the Chase Freedom card, what you get and what makes this card so special is you get 5x points on different categories every quarter of the year. Right now the categories are gas station, streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, and the prior months it was from April to June, it was grocery stores and home improvement stores, and from January to March it was gas stations, tolls, and drugstores. So every quarter the categories are going to change, and you can earn 5x points and up to $1,500 in spend, which is equivalent of about $6,000 per year or 30,000 points per year. So by the end of the year you're looking at about 7,500 points if you maximize out the Chase Freedom card. But first, let's talk about the overall strategy. If you're watching this video, then most likely you're either in school, recently graduated, and you're just now starting to think about maximizing credit card points. So the overall strategy I want to teach you guys is something called the Chase Trifecta. So basically it's 3 credit cards that help you maximize your everyday spend so you get the most cash back or travel rewards. Now the 3 cards in the Trifecta are mainly the Chase Freedom card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and finally the Chase Ink Business card. Chase Freedom card gets 5x points, the CSP or the CSR get 2x points on travel and dining, and the Chase Ink Business card earns 3x points in some amazing categories. So the Chase Ink Business earns 3x points on travel, shipping expenses, advertising spend like on Facebook or Instagram, on phone, cable, and internet services. And basically the idea behind these 3 cards are for our everyday spend in our everyday lives. I have Verizon Cable, which I pay with my Chase Ink Business card. I take Ubers to and from work, or maybe when I'm traveling. I eat out using my Chase Sapphire Reserve. And for the Chase Freedom, I'm getting 5x points when I go to the gas station, when I pay a toll, when I go to a drugstore, when I go to a home improvement store. And this is what forms the basis of maximizing credit card points, becoming a flight hacking and points hacking expert. So to set yourself up for this Chase Trifecta, the place we gotta start is the Chase Freedom card. This is the easiest card to get of the 3, and it forms a foundation for getting the second and third cards. You pretty much can guarantee you're not going to get a Chase Sapphire Reserve if you don't have a Chase Freedom card, as well as it's really hard to get a Chase Ink Business card without having a Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Freedom or Chase Freedom Unlimited. So now that you know the structure of the Chase Trifecta, let's talk about how to actually get approved for the Chase Freedom card. So if you are just entering college and you've turned 18, now is the time to get started with the Chase Freedom card. So your first step is to get a student credit card. I've got another video up here where you can check out my top recommendations for student credit cards, but for the most part, for you to start building credit and to have anywhere near a decent credit score, you're gonna have to start out with either a secured card or a student credit card. One of the cards I talked about before actually earns rewards, which is pretty rare for a student card. It's an amazing card, but basically here's the overall timeline. You wanna apply for that student or secured credit card and start building up your credit. In 6 to 12 months, we're then gonna apply for the Chase Freedom card. 12 months later, or possibly once you get your first job, that's when you're gonna apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. After you've had the CSP for a year, you can get the CSR, or you can move on to the Chase Inc. business card. You can actually get approved for a business card without having a business. You'd be running a sole proprietorship, which is what I did when I first set everything up, and it's all part of that trifecta. I've got a later video talking about this in the playlist. But anyway, your overall timeline is get that student card, 6 to 12 months later, get the Chase Freedom card. Once you graduate, get the CSP, then get the CSR, and then get the Chase Inc. business card. The main thing to remember is Chase has this 5x24 rule. Basically means if you've applied for 5 different credit cards, no matter who the issuer is, whether it's Amex, Bank of America, Capital One, within a 24-month period, you can't apply for any more cards. So if you sign up for a student card, a Bank of America card, a Capital One card, an Amex card, and you have just 1 slot left, that means you can only get the Chase Freedom or the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and you're maxed out. So I want you to be very careful with the cards you sign up for and the cards you have in your wallet, and make sure to watch as many videos as you can and learn about this Chase Trifecta so you don't miss out on the 5x24 and have to wait an additional 6 to 12 months to get this awesome inventory in your wallet. Okay, but assuming we've got our student credit card, we're starting to build up our credit, and we're ready for the Chase Freedom, these are the things that they look for when approving somebody for the Chase Freedom card. So first of all, you've got to have a credit score around 680 or higher. You can get a free credit score check if you go to annualcreditreport.com, as well as certain credit cards allow you to see your credit score. They're not always a FICO score, so make sure to see if your card offers that benefit. Other key factors they're going to look at are, do you have any major outstanding debts, like another revolving line of credit, a store card you've opened at Kohl's or JCPenney, or does JCPenney even exist anymore? Any of these random store cards. You want to make sure that your credit report is pretty clean. You don't have any big outstanding debts. If you have student loans, that's going to be completely fine. You just want to make sure that you are paying them off or they're not some crazy amount. And what they're really looking for is, assuming they approve you for a $500 credit limit, they're looking at your ability to repay those bills. In general, you want to make sure you're making anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 per year, either working a side job, getting money from your parents, getting a loan, something like that, so they know you can repay this $500. That's really what the Chase Freedom main criteria is. If your credit score is over 680, it's probably because you've been paying some other credit card bill, some store card bill, to build up that credit and prove that you're a reliable person to receive a loan, which is essentially what the credit card is. Now, when you're applying for these cards, one thing to remember is when they ask your annual income, you can include money that your parents are giving you for school or for something else like that. That can be applied to it, and it's going to help you get to that $6,000 mark to get approved for this Chase Freedom. Beyond that, you can get your own job, all that sort of stuff, and pay your own bills, but use the help while you have it. And there's a cool trick that if you don't want to sign up for the card, you can actually sign up for a pre-approval. It's not going to affect your credit score. I'm going to put a link down below, and basically you can see if you're pre-approved for the Chase Freedom card, and if you are, you can go ahead and sign up immediately. You may be able to skip all of these steps. So why not try it out? So say you're ready to sign up for the Chase Freedom card. If you are going to do it, we would really love it if you support the channel by using one of the links down below, or also one of the links on the website. It helps us create better videos, upgrade the cameras so that you can see us better, and so that we can answer any of your questions. I reply to every single comment down below, so if you have any questions for me, let me know down below. So guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. I've got another video that's going to be amazing coming out this coming Monday. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. This way you'll never miss any of our amazing life hacks and credit card points and how to take advantage of credit card points. And also, if you want to see how far credit card points can take you, follow us on Instagram at @LifeTailored. If you want to see more videos like this, like down below so I know you like this, and I'll keep producing more content for you. Okay guys, see you next Monday.